Right now, we're seeing an unusual dip in sentiment at -0.05, despite a strong momentum spike of +0.85. This divergence is intriguing. It indicates that while there's positive momentum, the overall sentiment is negative, which is not typical for a bullish trend. With our API, you get real-time insights into financial sentiment, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, to help you dissect the data effectively. Imagine you're developing a trading strategy that leverages this sentiment analysis. You could use it to identify potential short-selling opportunities, as the momentum doesn't align with the current sentiment. This could signal a price correction ahead. Dive deeper and see how you can integrate this into your applications at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.